Flash floods have struck parts of Saudi Arabia due to heavy rainfall, causing significant damage to the holy city of Mecca. The occurrence of such natural disasters in Mecca, the holiest place in Islam, always raises questions and concerns about their significance. People wonder if these events hold any spiritual meaning or if they are merely regular phenomena. The recent hailstorm that hit Mecca brought about a multitude of inquiries. Many pondered whether the hail was a divine signal to Muslims or if it held a deeper symbolic message. The significance of Mecca in Islam cannot be overstated. It is intrinsically linked to the religion, with the Kaaba and its contents holding immense religious significance. Therefore, when calamities like locust attacks, lightning strikes, severe thunderstorms, tornadoes, and hailstorms befall the city, it naturally causes worry and unease among the faithful. The historic hailstorm that recently visited the sacred land of Mecca resulted in significant damage and further intensified the questions surrounding its meaning. It is essential to explore the biblical references to hail to gain insight into its significance. The Bible mentions hail on multiple occasions, with one notable reference being the pouring of the seventh judgment by God upon the earth. It is implied that following the completion of this judgment, a loud voice from the temple declared its fulfillment. Subsequently, thunder, lightning, and an earthquake ensued, leading to the destruction of cities in different nations. God then caused hailstones to fall upon the earth, particularly targeting Babylon and other cities. These hailstones were large and weighed around 100 pounds each. The people cursed God due to the severity of the hailstorm, indicating that hail can be seen as a form of punishment from God when he is displeased with human actions. Additionally, the Bible recounts instances where God aided the Israelites in battle by employing hailstones as weapons. When the Amorites fled from the Israelites, God hurled hailstones from heaven, resulting in the death of many Amorites. This demonstrates God's power to defeat enemies using hailstones and emphasizes the significance of faith and devotion to God. One of the most well-known biblical accounts involving hail is the seventh plague that struck Egypt. When Pharaoh hardened his heart and refused to release the Israelites, God sent a catastrophic hailstorm upon all the land of Egypt. This plague was a consequence of Pharaoh's pride and disbelief in God. Prior to the hailstorm, God instructed Moses to approach Pharaoh and demand the release of the Israelites. God warned that if Pharaoh refused, a severe hailstorm would be unleashed upon him, his servants, and his people. The Bible suggests that those who feared God took precautions to protect themselves from the impending plague. However, those who did not heed the warning suffered the loss of their livestock and slaves. Moses stretched his staff toward heaven, and hail struck Egypt, devastating the entire land except for Goshen, where the Israelites resided. Pharaoh pleaded with Moses to stop the hail, and once it ceased, he promised to let the Israelites go. However, Pharaoh's heart hardened again, leading to further punishment. The hail was accompanied by lightning and fire, causing widespread destruction among the Egyptian people and their livestock. Only the land of Goshen, where the Israelites lived, remained unharmed. This plague displayed God's sovereignty over the weather, serving as both a judgment upon Egypt and a means of protection for his people. The recent hailstorm in Mecca echoes the biblical accounts of hail as a form of divine intervention and punishment. While we cannot definitively declare the precise meaning behind each natural disaster, it is natural for people to seek spiritual explanations for events occurring in such a sacred place. The hailstorm in Mecca brought about significant damage and loss, prompting individuals to reflect on their actions and the potential messages being conveyed. It serves as a reminder of God's power and the importance of remaining steadfast in faith. The recent flash floods and hailstorm in Mecca have sparked contemplation and concern about their spiritual significance. Considering the biblical references to hail as a form of divine intervention and punishment, it is understandable why people in Mecca and Muslims worldwide would question the meaning behind such events. While we may never fully comprehend the true intentions behind these natural disasters, they serve as reminders of our vulnerability and the need to remain devoted in faith. Regardless of the interpretations we may draw, it is crucial to offer support and assistance to those affected and to come together as a community during times of adversity. Hail holds symbolic significance in the Bible, representing divine judgment, God's wrath, and even greeting. Through biblical accounts, we learn that hail is a manifestation of God's anger and a means through which he punishes those who do not follow his commandments. In contrast, the righteous are protected from God's wrath. The hailstones described in the Bible serve as miraculous interventions by God, assisting his people in defeating their enemies. This article delves into the three symbolic meanings of hail in the Bible: judgment, God's wrath, and greeting. By exploring these interpretations, we gain insight into God's character and his dealings with humanity. The Bible implies that hail is a form of punishment that God will bring upon those who have not lived a righteous life according to his word. It is depicted as a great punishment following God's judgment. This divine hail serves as a consequence for those who have strayed from his commandments and lived in unrighteousness. Furthermore, hail is used as a tool of destruction against the enemies of God's people. In the case of the Amorites who attacked the Israelites, God's anger was directed towards them, and they were not spared. In other instances, the Bible reveals that hail was used to destroy the enemies of Job. These accounts illustrate that hail signifies God's displeasure and his use of it to kill and destroy those who provoke him and his people. Hail also symbolizes God's anger and wrath in the Bible. It serves as a manifestation of his indignation towards those who have offended him and his people. God demonstrates his wrath by causing hailstones to fall upon people, resulting in their death and the destruction of their properties. The hailstorm that occurred in Mecca could be interpreted as a manifestation of God's anger and indignation towards the Holy Land. The damage inflicted upon Mecca may serve as a means for God to express his feelings and display his displeasure. Dreaming or thinking about hail can be seen as a sign that God is not pleased with an individual. It serves as a call to repentance before God's judgment and punishment are unleashed. Rather than waiting for the wrath of God to fall upon them, individuals are encouraged to seek forgiveness and believe in God's forgiving nature. Surprisingly, hail is also used as a symbol of greeting in the Bible. In the account of Judas betraying Jesus, he approached Jesus and greeted him with the word hail before his treacherous act. This usage of hail as a greeting signifies the deceptive nature of Judas's actions, as he feigned respect and honor towards Jesus while intending to betray him. Hail holds multiple symbolic meanings in the Bible, including divine judgment, God's wrath, and even greeting. It represents God's punishment for those who have not led a righteous life and serves as a manifestation of his anger and displeasure towards humanity. Hailstones are used as tools of destruction against enemies, displaying God's power and protection over his people. The recent hailstorm in Mecca prompts contemplation about its spiritual significance, raising questions about God's intentions and messages. While we may never fully comprehend the true meaning behind natural disasters, they serve as reminders of our vulnerability and the importance of remaining steadfast in faith. It is crucial to extend support and assistance to those affected by such events and come together as a community during times of adversity.